The recent South African elections, where the African National Congress, or ANC, has faced its biggest challenge in over 3 decades. In the latest election, the ANC captured only about 40% of the votes. To put that into perspective, this is down significantly from the 58% they secured in the previous election. This result is a shockwave, pushing the ANC to consider something previously unthinkable, forming a coalition government. Now, why the sudden downturn? Many point to growing dissatisfaction with issues like unemployment, inequality, and persistent power outages. The general sentiment? It's time for a change. The options on the table for the ANC are to form a coalition with either the Democratic Alliance, which is currently the second largest party, or the Umkhonto we Sizwe party, led by former President Jacob Zuma. Each choice carries its weight and implications, making the next steps crucial for the ANC's future. President Cyril Ramaphosa has termed the election results a victory for democracy, suggesting that a diverse parliament could lead to more balanced governance. However, within the ANC, the mood is less celebratory. They acknowledge their errors and the need for serious reflection and strategy adjustment. This election is not just a political upset, it's a historic shift that might redefine South African politics. As the ANC ponders its future, the question looms large. Is this the end of ANC's dominance in South Africa, or is it a temporary setback? Only time will tell, but one thing is clear. South African politics just got a lot more interesting. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on this evolving story. See you in the next video.